In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve playback performance and render faster in DaVinci Resolve. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their editing process and ensure smoother operation within this powerful software. First, you'll want to open up DaVinci Resolve on your computer. The software, developed by Blackmagic Design, is renowned for its robust editing capabilities and is a favorite among both amateurs and professionals. Once you have it open, select the project you are currently working on. You can do this from the project's home screen where all your files are located. With your project loaded, the next step is to navigate to the edit page. This can be found on the bottom of the screen, and it's where you'll do most of your timeline editing and adjustments. The edit page is designed to be the hub of all production work, and understanding its functionality will help you immensely in the long run. Once you are on the edit page, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Playback. This menu is crucial as it governs how your project is viewed and rendered, making it an essential component for improving performance. From the Playback menu, you'll want to access the submenu titled Render Cache. Render cache options help manage how DaVinci Resolve processes rendered video. This setting essentially pre-processes media in the timeline, allowing for smoother playback and minimizing any lag you might experience. Click on Render Cache to expand its options. Here you'll see choices such as None, User, and Smart. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the Smart option. Selecting Smart allows the software to automatically manage cache files for playback, ensuring that effects are rendered in the background as you work. This can dramatically improve how smoothly your project plays. By enabling Smart Render Cache, DaVinci Resolve assesses which parts of your project need rendering and handles this automatically without requiring manual intervention. It's a great way to ensure that you're using your computer's resources efficiently, which is particularly useful if you're working with high-resolution media or complex edits. And that's it. With these steps, you should notice an improvement in both playback performance and rendering time. This optimization allows you to focus more on the creative aspects of your project, rather than being bogged down by technical hiccups. Remember, the more you practice and familiarize yourself with DaVinci Resolve's features, the more you'll be able to customize it to suit your style and speed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more video editing tips and tricks.